Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to our today's BGS class. Dear students, in previous classes we have already discussed about the two part of the government. That means we have discussed about the administrative system and parliamentary or legislature system. Today we will discuss about the judiciary system, and we know the government has three parts or three organs, and judiciary has some functions, and it plays some roles, and it has procedure appointment. We will discuss about it. I hope you all are remembered about the Judicial Department. What is Judicial Department and what is the function? What are the functions of Judicial Department? Yes, students, all Judicial Department of the governments are works for try to establish justice in the country and help the administration system and help the parliamentary board, and they give advice to the administrating body and the members of parliaments. At first, Judiciary Department worked for dispensing justice. Dispensing justice means they try to apply or explain the apply justice for any case against the infringer, and get justice for the justice to the victim. And they explain the all of the rules, regulation, and all of the act behind the act or law behind the case. After that, they work for making law. Obviously, justice has justice has so much knowledge about the making law and enacting law. Though our parliament enacted the law, but the laws are made by the judges. After that, to protect fundamental rights, every people have some fundamental rights from the government, and government should ensure that human rights or fundamental rights for the general people. And Judicial Department work for protect or establish that fundamental rights for the general people. To safeguard the constitution. Every country has a constitution, and Bangladesh has a constitution, and the Judicial Department is the protector of that constitution. To settle disputes, if any two administration or any institutes have face conflicts, that time this Judiciary Department dispute their that conflict. To advise the administrative department, if administrative department need some advice, that time Judiciary Department gives some advice to them for the development of country. We know Judiciary Department plays a great role to ensure the justice in the country. For that, they play some roles that are they take all necessary arrangement to protect human rights. Human rights means at first human rights is the rights of food and the rights of mm, the rights of dresses, the rights of education. That's all are human rights. They works like a safeguard of personal freedom. Our judiciary department try to ensure the personal freedom. Uh, Person like anybody, any male or female person, they protect civic rights. Civic rights means the rights are the institutional rights like the voting rights, participate in the election, that kind of rights called civic rights. Our judiciary department protecting that type of rights, and they protect all the rules of law. Mm, and they work for it, and they amended many types of laws also. Our judiciary department has many types of judges. Like our chief justice. Our chief justice is an experienced person, obviously, and he or she obviously appointed by the chief executive. That means chief executive mean our president, and our president appoint him or her by the advising of our prime minister. And our other judges, also other judges of the Supreme Court, they are also appointed by the chief executive, that means president. And that time and the president take the advice of chief justice. And our some subordinate judges, they are appointed by many types of competitive examinations. And here our other judges and other our chief justice is the are stay in the selection panel. That are the procedure of the appointment of judges of the judiciary department. That all for today. I hope you all are understand about the judiciary department, and you obviously read the book and follow the lecture sheet and solve the worksheet and send to me. Thank you very much, students.